हाँ
Yes,
मैम
Niyati.
लेकिन ये मैम I
Yes, Niyati, it's your turn.
in this mind map I have written how French Revolution occurred, how the fall of Bastille occurred, and Louis XVI came to the throne. The trial of In this mind map of French Revolution, I have written that how the fall of Bastille occurred, how Louis XVI came to the throne, how the Directory replaced the conviction, how the National Assembly of France passed a decree to abolish federal system, how the rise of political clubs occur, National Assembly declared war against Persia and Austria, how France became republic, how Napoleon campaign in the Vendée occurred, how the Napoleon became the emperor of France, how the fall of Napoleon occurred in the Battle of Waterloo, the abolishment of slavery occurred, the downfall of Robespierre occurred, Bonaparte chases the Austria from Italy, how the terror begins and the France declare war against Europe. Thank you.
नियति, now this mind map आपको थोड़ा सा और modify करना पड़ेगा. Why? See, in this questions included है how this occur, but how this occurred.
ये मैंने लिखा नहीं है, इसमें सारी डेट्स है on 26.
So that you have to say. How this occurred, how do I know how this occurred? How do they know how this occurred? That you are the speaker, that you will inform them. Right, Niyati?
This mind map I have written on 26 August 1789, the revolution started. On 14 July 1789, the fall of Bastille occurred and Louis XVI came to the throne. On 4 July 1789, National Assembly of France passed a decree to abolish federal system. In the year of 1795, the Directory replaced the conviction. From 1790 to 1791, the rise of political clubs occurred. In the year of 1792, National Assembly declared war against Persia and Austria. On September 21, 1792, France became republic. In the year 1796, Napoleon's campaign in the Vendée occurred, and the failed uprising in Paris occurred. In 1804, Napoleon became the Emperor of France. In 1815, fall of Napoleon in the Battle of Waterloo occurred. In the year of 1848, the abolishment of slavery occurred. In the year of 1797, Bonaparte chases the Austria from Italy. In the year of 1794, the downfall of Robespierre occurred. From 10 December 1792 to 21 Jan 1793, the trial and execution of Louis XVI occurred at De la Concord.
Occur.
Thank you.
Come on,
Ma'am,
Chirag.
in 1774, Louis XVI became king of France with empty treasury. This increases the tax on third estate only, including businessmen, farmers, etc. This also France population also rapidly increased. In 1789, revolution started with Bastille prison, became republic. Rise of Jacobin in 1791.
There are some important topics of the mind on the chapter of the French Revolution. There first is the introduction part. Then we have done. Then causes of French Revolution, social cause, economic cause, political cause, and etc. The introduction. Revolution was started in 1789, and the series of the events for the middle class and upper class also. The revolution started in 14 July 1799 with the storming in a fortress prison of the Bastille. The Bastille, the fortress prison, was hated by all because it stood for a despotic power of the king. So, ma'am, after that we will move to the causes of the French Revolution. There are some reasons where the French Revolution occurs. First, social cause. French Revolution during late 18th century. Society was divided into three estates. First state, clergy, the group of people in church. Then second is nobility, the noblemen and the king peoples, etc. And third state includes the businessmen, lawyers, laborers, and other peoples. The first two classes were extended from the paying taxes. They enjoyed privileges from the birth. The members of the third estate had to pay taxes to the state. The tax levied by the church is called tax, and the tax, when directly paid to the state, is called tails. Then economic cause. The population of France rose from about 23 million in 1715 to 28 million in 1799. Most workers as a laborers as they didn't see increase of the wages. This lead to the scarcity of food grains or subsistence crisis, which started occurring frequently during the old regime. Here comes the political cause. Louis XVI came to the power in 1774 and found the empty treasury. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 colonies to gain after the independence from the common enemies. Then, growing up middle class, this estate was educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. This estate was educated and believed that no group of society should be privileged from the birth. These ideas were put forward by philosophers and Rousseau, the French philosophers. These ideas were discussed by people, salons, coffee houses, and spread among those newspapers and books. Then here comes women revolution. It was started in after abolition of slavery in 1946. From the very beginning, women were active participants in the event which brought so many changes in French society. Most of women of the third estate work for a living. Their wages were lower than men. They were demanded equal pay for equal work. In order to discuss their voice, they interact. Women started their own political clubs and newspapers. Their struggle still continues in several parts of the world. It was finally in 1946 women get in France the right to vote. Then here comes the importance of dates. 14 July 1789, the fall of Bastille, Louis XVI came to the throne. 4 July 1789, National Assembly of France passed a decree to abolish feudal system. 26 August 1789, the revolution started Declaration of Rights of Men. 1790-1791, rise of political clubs. 1792, through away of monarchy, National Assembly declared a war against Prussia and Austria. 21 September 1792, France became republic. 10 December 1792 to 21 January 1793, trial and execution of Louis XVI and de la Concorde. 1793, France at war against Europe. The Jacobins seized power and the terror begins. It is also called the Reign of Terror. Downfall of Robespierre, abolition of slavery in 1794. 1795, directory replaced with convection.
Okay. Okay. Come on, start, Ronak.
मैम इसमें फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के आउटब्रेक ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन जिसमें पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए थे लेजिस्लेटिव, एग्जीक्यूटिव और जुडिशियरी में, फिर राइट टू लाइफ, फ्रीडम, स्पीच और इक्वलिटी के बारे में भी था, और उसके और ग्रोइंग ऑफ मिडिल क्लास था, इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन जिसके वजह से खाने की शॉर्टेज हो गई थी क्योंकि क्रॉप्स उतने ही प्रोड्यूस हो रहे थे जितने
Failure
होते थे
of
पर
crops.
पॉपुलेशन
Yes.
ज्यादा हो गए थे, तो उसके वजह से स्ट्रगल हो रहा था सरवाइव करने में। एक ब्रेड भी लेने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो रही थी। उसके बाद रीजन ऑफ टेरर, रॉबिस्पियर जब रूल कर रहे थे फ्रांस में, तो उसको रीजन ऑफ टेरर बोला गया था। लॉस प्लेसिंग अ मैक्सिमम सेलिंग ऑन वेजेस एंड प्राइस वर इशूड। और उसके बाद राइज ऑफ नेपोलियन हुआ था। उस, उसके बाद स्लेवरी वॉज अबोलिश इन फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज in 1848. The revolution in everyday life law to translate the ideas of liberty and equality into everyday practice. बस मैम।
Okay.